Stop right there. If you clean your ears with cotton buds, hairpins, or keys, you might be slowly damaging your hearing without even knowing it. Hi, welcome to my channel, and in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you the safest way to care for your ears like a professional. Here's something most people don't know. Your ears are actually self-cleaning. Earwax is not dirt. It protects you by trapping germs, dust, and insects, and it keeps your ear canal healthy. So trying to remove all your earwax is actually a mistake. When you use cotton buds or sharp objects, you don't really remove the wax. You push it deeper inside. This can cause blockage, pain, infection, and sometimes even a ruptured eardrum. I see cases like this in the clinic almost every week. So what should you do instead? Simply clean only the outer part of your ear with a towel. If the ear feels blocked, you need to see your ear doctor for professional service. Remember this rule. Never put anything smaller than your elbow inside your ear. Also, please see a doctor if you notice hearing loss, pain, ringing sounds, discharge, or persistent blockage. These are warning signs you shouldn't ignore. If you found this helpful, like this video, share it with someone who still uses cotton buds, and follow me for more simple, doctor-approved health tips.